This is a review of the classic Nintendo 64 that I would highly recommend. This comes with the console itself that you see here, and then right there you get the controller. And this is the controller, the analogs, the how you use this, the buttons right there, and the map control, the analog stick is right there. And one thing I wanted to show you, another thing too, is that this is the power on and off button right here. This is the battery pack. It is connected to a battery, and this is the reset button to reset it if you're, for example, if you're playing a video game and it crashes. This right here is the slot to put in your video game. It comes like in a style like that, where you just stick it inside like that. Overall, I would highly recommend the classic Nintendo 64. If you are a classic old gamer enthusiast, then this is something that you should definitely have. I absolutely love the Nintendo 64. It brings back the old childhood memories, and I still use this today. I play like Mario. There's like Mario games I play with, and then there's some other games too that I play as well too. But overall, I would definitely recommend this if you are a classic gaming enthusiast and you missed out on the Nintendo 64. Then Nintendo 64 is probably one of the most best video games ever in history, and it's something that I would highly recommend because it is like a masterpiece console, and it has one of the best video games that you could think of as well too. So I would highly recommend the Nintendo 64.